Okay, here we go. This is the deal here. My homeboy Rudy rudely interrupted me while I was working on my bike. I'm just kidding. Okay, so here's the status. This is all for all you guys who are trying to remove your rear tire from a shaft-driven motorcycle. This one is a 1987 Honda Super Magna. It's a 700cc, and it's drum brakes on the rear. So, okay. I loosened all this stuff, blah, blah, blah. You've seen it in the first video. I'm at the point where I'm going to remove this right now. And I don't know what it's called. The shaft, the pin, I don't know. But I'm taking it out. You don't need to know what it's called. You just need to know how to do it. Alright, let me set up my camera. Let me do my work. And we should be straight. Alright, that should be okay. Now I gotta push this out. I got something underneath the tire, a little can to keep it from falling off, kind of keep it lifted. And I gotta find something to whack this pin out. So, now you don't really want to use anything hard to slam this out because you just don't. You want to use something soft, preferably a dowel or anything of that type. But I don't have anything like that, so what I'm going to use is handy dandy screwdriver and just not beat it up. Try not to hit anything but that. Take your time. There's no rush. You want to do this right without causing more damage than's already there. Now, I doubt that this thing has been taken off in the last 10 years. The guy I bought this from looked like somebody who'd be doing meth and doing this shit. And so I wouldn't be surprised if there was gum and they're holding this shit together. Looks like it's coming out. It is, and I can pull it out by hand. The tire's still on. And okay, I gotta show you this because I don't know what's gonna happen here. Let's just get that video there. Look, I pushed that in. It's a little greasy. I don't have any grease. If I did, I'd put some on. And I was wondering if I could use Vaseline, but something tells me that's not going to work. And if anybody knows, please feel free to comment. Alright, so I'm pulling this out. Now, I don't know if this is going to come off or not. Like I said, trial and error, people, so let's see what happens. I've got a little can holding the tire up, so it's not just going to drop. And I'll put my foot under there anyways. And pull that out slowly. Sweet. Oh yeah. Now let's put this somewhere so I don't get beat up. What you don't want to do is put the thread on the concrete, bang it up, because once you tear that thread up, you're not gonna have. It's gonna be hard for you to get that nut back on. So I'm just gonna put this pointing up. Oh, that's perfect. Look, nice little spot there. And you know, in your work area, I'm pretty sure you'll be doing this a lot better than me. I'm just winging it here. Went for a drive to work last night, woke up, and my tire's completely flat. So, okay, I'm worried about this, and it does come off. Okay, let's see what happens. Shit. And I'm just trying to get everything on video, so, I mean, if I forget how to put something back on, I could always refer to the video. Alrighty, got my little can under there. Pin is out. Okay, this is going to come off. And it looks like there's a washer here, a big size, full size. I don't know how to get this off. Free hanging. Alrighty, look. Just to show you. Sorry about the angles, people, but I'm working with the cell phone here. This thing looks like it will come off. Here's the space. It is coming off. I'm having problems with this side. Not exactly sure what's holding on, but it's not coming off completely. And if I have to, I might have to remove the drive shaft. And I don't want to let this go because I don't know how this is going to react. The shock is stuck to this. This is stuck to that. That is, put together through here. And I'm trying to get this off now. So let's see what happens. Oh wait, the shock didn't move at all on this side. Maybe I can remove it on this side. Let's see what happens. I'm not a mechanic. I'm a do-it-yourself kind of guy, and I've been doing shit like this on Fords, Chevys, Fords of all kinds, Chevy, Camaro, and Astrovan, and now a Honda Magna motorcycle. Okay, it came off. Okay, just to let you know, look. This washer that was in here came off. Gave me some more room to move. And I'm just going to put that up there. Now, the tire is free. Sweet, sweet. Look at that. This is coming off, and hopefully everything's going to be okay. And if it's not, then it's time to pull out money out of my wallet, go to the mechanic and say, please help. I'm stupid and I tried to do it myself. Sweet, sweet, sweet Jesus. Oh my gosh, that just looks so dirty. And I didn't lift the bike enough, so I can't take it off now. Damn it! So back to lifting the bike. Lifting the bike. Doo doo doo. I'm the most normal guy you'll ever watch on video. I'm tired. It's been 10 minutes and I'm already pooped. Okay, looks like I might be able to get the bike out now. And blah 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 blah. One more blah blah. Alrighty, looks like I can get the tire out. Still don't really know where the tire went flat at, but I need to get some grease. Sweet. Okay. All right. Video on the inside, man. Oh, I got 40 seconds left. Alright, this whole thing comes out. I don't want to take that off, but look at this. This is the interior of the drum. Maybe I can do my brakes today. I don't know where they're at though. And hold on. I'm making good progress here, people. I thought this was going to be a little harder than it was. That's the inside of the tire, and that goes up against that. I don't want to mess with too much of this, but it is dirty.